Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna hop in to do another wig review. So this one is from divatress.com. It is from the collection Motown Tress, and it is in the style LS137.PURE, and I got her in two colors. The first one I'm gonna try on is the OT3350. So this is what the stock card looks like for her. It's got a 13x7 frontal, and it says it's 24 inches in length, and yeah, safe up to 400 degrees. So if you really like this hair, go check out my wig review for it. It's Lynette. I think she's gorge for the summertime, and if you're interested in trying out a blonde but you're not sure how it works, if your skin color is like mine, and as it darkens into like my color, this is what it looks like on somebody who looks like me. This is what my chest looks like, and this is what my face looks like. So I've already cut the lace for this wig, and so it's like a, I don't know, like a 4 with pieces of like auburn and like pieces of like 2. That's what it looks like. This is the cap construction. 2 combs at the crown, 1 comb at the bottom. It gives you your adjustable straps right here. And then it gives you a band. I'm so sorry, this weather sucks for me right now. The cold and the rain and then back to warm, it's just like not fun. So I'm not adjusting the straps. Oh my God. Jesus. Okay, this is not big head friendly. Good Lord, this is not big head friendly. Not even, wow. And I've got a small head, like my head's not large at all. Like my head's not in between small and medium. My head's small. It almost feels like Ricarda, the wig that I did at the beginning of March Madness. So if you look at the first wig that I did in March, that wig review, it was a 2-for-1. I was talking excessively about height, my height, and like the length of wigs and how it differentiates between what length looks like on a model that's being promoted and the way it looks like on somebody in real life. That wig was like ridiculously small, and I've got a small head, and oh my God, this feels the exact same. I can literally barely get this over, like barely get this over. Sorry if you have a big head. This isn't gonna necessarily work. Not necessarily, it's not going to work. If you, I mean, unless you happen to get a wig that it's just like, they constructed it completely different. So I like the parting space. I think it looks more realistic than a couple of the wigs that I've tried on. Okay, so you are gonna get a little shedding and tangling. Ooh, I like this color on me. My face gets a lot darker. Well, I won't say obviously, because some people don't get a lot darker in the summertime, but my face gets, like, there's a difference that you can tell, I think, between my face and my down here. I wouldn't say completely 2 different colors, but I mean, Jesus, that and then like that, it's different. And that's the way it's always been. but some colors may not necessarily work on me in the summertime because my undertones, because I'm a neutral undertone person, I think when the weather warms up, I slide a little bit into warmer, and then in the wintertime, I slide back into like the cooler tone colors look better on me. Because I'm neutral, I can do a little bit of both, but when it's warm, I go from neutral to a little bit warm, and then in the winter months, I go from neutral to a little bit cooler. It's a silky texture. You saw I got a little bit of tangling. I'm telling you, like, this is not even remotely close to like on the verge of medium head friendly. Jesus. But I do like the color, and I like the curl pattern. I think it's very simple. I think it's very effortless. I think it's a standard, just like blowouts type of style, type of cut. So very easy to work with, easy to just throw on and go. And I'm digging that color. That color combo is just bomb. What is this, like OT350 or something like that? I mean, OT3350. This is a beautiful color and cut combination. It says it's 24 inches long. I don't even have to stand up, and this is where it comes down to right here. This color is bomb. Bomb. The ear tabs aren't even like coming down. Like, I'm telling you, this wig is so small. Okay, so this is the OT3350. I got this exact same wig in a one. So we're just gonna take this off. I'm kind of interested to see how the cap fits on that one, if it's disastrously small like this one is, or if, you know, it was constructed a little bit differently. Let me see. Oh my God. Yeah, this is, if you got a medium-sized head, don't even waste your money. It's really pretty, and it's like simplistic pretty, but you can't market to like people who have bigger heads than the smallest size head out there. It's I'm sorry, but there's nothing that can be done about that, because you add a wig cap, you add braids, you add any type of like extra anything underneath here, you're already making it heavier. And that really sucks, because I think wigs like this, a lot of wigs that have been coming out, in my personal opinion, just like are not for the summer. The heaviness of the wig and the length of the unit, it's just like, to me, I'm a little shocked that companies are choosing this season to showcase some of their wigs, because I think some of them would look really, really, really good in the fall and winter. I think Emery would do really good in the fall and winter. I think the Sensational Butterlace 16 would do really good in the fall and winter. I think Camalia would do really good in the fall and winter, and I think they're just heavy wigs for this season. Again, my personal opinion, I think they're still gorgeous units, but I'm not gonna waste my money on ordering Camalia to wear that wig when it's 90 degrees outside. I mean, that's just, I've been wearing wigs long enough to know I could get some good wear out of that. I would ruin the wig if I wore it and it was super humid outside. I'd be like, what are you doing? So this one, to me, it seems more season appropriate. I'm 5'7.5", and this is where it falls on me. So If you are shorter than me, obviously it's gonna be longer, but it's not like it's not that obnoxious length that I think Emery is for the season. It's silky textured, and I just think it's easy. It's easy and it's effortless. And unfortunately, if you have a big head or medium-sized head, this is, I mean, I know that I've only ordered 2 wigs from this, and I guess potentially the other colors that this wig is styled in could, you know, be constructed to where it's not. Because some wigs are like that. Not every wig is constructed the exact same way. It's gonna fit, you know, everybody's head the exact same way. So I leave room for that. I've been wearing wigs for the better part of 7 years, and some wigs that you're like, damn, it fits like this on me, it actually does fit somebody else differently. Not a lot, but it does happen. So I will leave it open for the possibility that it may end up fitting somebody. I doubt it. This is small on me, and I haven't even adjusted the straps. I bought some wig tinting spray, so I guess I could use my makeup to rub on the cap. I just think this is so pretty. Now, one thing I will say about this LS137.PURE, they are a tad on the expensive side. Like, I did Lynette. Not Lynette, I'm sorry. I don't know her name. Well, it's LS137.PURE. I did her, but I did her straight sister. And I also did her crimped sister. The crimped one I did a review on. I don't think I did a review on her straight sister, but the crimped sister I did in like a 99J. It was after the Ricarda review. But it was on the pricier side. Like, I would say this ran me almost 60 bucks per wig. So they are a tad on the expensive side. But I think if you're trying to do like an effortless look, I think this is really easy, but it's also very light. So if you're trying to go out and do this type of style in the summertime, this unit's very, very light. It's very, very thin, but it's covered. But it's thin and light, so it's not gonna, you can go out in 80, 90 degree weather and still feel okay. So that's Motown Tress. So yeah, these are the colors. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm exhausted. I literally been trying to get my daughter to sleep for the last like 3 hours. We're crib training her, so yay. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.